Okay, so Cookie's come back. Got more chicken for her. Do you want some chicken? Do you? Right, how many do you want? One? Is that enough? No? You want two? Is that enough? Two enough? Oh, sorry, that was the packet. Is that enough? Or you wanting more? You want more? Let's go for 3. Are you doing 3? 3 is 3 enough? I don't think you're going to get 4 in your mouth this time anyway, are you? Cookie making a right pig's ear of that. No, she's going to stick with the 3. There she goes. Okay, there goes Cookie. There's Dave the streetlight. And there's Roger the water bowl. That's it. Right, Cookie's gone. That's it. See you later. Bye for now.